Here's another song called Ua. And I used to be obsessed with this song. I thought it was super catchy. I thought music video was cute, you know. But then I listened to it again, and it literally, I think the first line was like, I forgot how it goes. Na 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 na. You're way too young for me, but I don't mind. Yeah, man, so the FBI open up.
FBI open up!
Literally, that's like the first, that's like the first how the song opens. Yeah, it's so FBI open up. I forgot how it goes. I say ooh, I love you, moo. You're way too young for me, but I don't mind. And the music video is basically him stalking this one girl. Like, at the time I was like, oh, he's just being annoying, but it's because he loves her, haha. But like now that I watch it, I'm just like, please call the police. The whole video is literally her trying to like date other guys, and then like he keeps cock blocking her. and being super stalker like and annoying. So that was interesting. It's one of those songs that like definitely did not age well.
君と夏の終わり将来の夢大きな希望を忘れない10年後の8月また大